Hi, your name?
My name is Kanchi Garg.
Okay, so Kanchi, I want to know from you about your overall experience with Uncodemy. How what do you want to say?
My overall experience has been really great. I started this coaching around 4 months ago, and it's been a really wonderful journey.
Okay.
And I've learned a lot of new skills like Python, Excel, and Power BI, Tableau, EDA, and I know it's gonna help me a lot in the future.
Okay.
And overall, the environment is also very good, and the mentors and trainers are very friendly and helping.
Okay. So everything is fine. So according to you, what kind of recommendation would you like to give if someone wants to grow in data science, data analytics, or business analytics? Is this a great platform?
I would recommend just practice, it depends.
You have to be a practical one,
Yeah,
right?
only
Practically,
practice,
yeah.
and do a lot of projects, and participates in activity like which was held today.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number